how to log out your WhatsApp account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can log out your WhatsApp ID from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of your WhatsApp account from some other devices, if you think that you are logged into those devices, just open WhatsApp. Then once you open WhatsApp, tap the three dots icon which is at the top right hand side of the screen. Then here you will find the option called linked devices. Just tap on the option. When you go to linked devices, under it you'll be able to see a list of all the devices and browsers where your WhatsApp account is basically logged in. So all you need to do is just select a specific device that you want to log out from. It will ask you, do you sure you want to log out? So just tap on log out and your WhatsApp ID will be removed from those devices. Now you can repeat the process for all the other devices that you want to remove. This is simply how you can log out of WhatsApp from other devices. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.